Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while.
So, me and Nick are camping again. We're looking as sexy as usual. We have two jolly swagmen camping by a billabong under the shade of a gum tree. Nick's walking from one side of the road to the other. It's kind of scary and I don't really like it, but hey, it's free country.
Here we have the wonderful sign for the Bicentennial National Trail, or the Bicentennial National Trail actually. It's totally amazing. We are here. So guys, here's our camp for the night. So over here we've got our Dakota fire pit that we've made, ready to light up. Bunch of firewood. Over here we've got some kindling, and then we've got our tent. I've got a Denali Vapor, a little sleeping mat, and Shane's got a foam sleeping mat. Obviously we've got our sleeping bags and stuff, our backpacks, and now we're going to go and find some wood to make a bit of a tripod over the fire, because earlier, as I mentioned, dropped my jacket into the fire, and as a result it's soaking wet. So I'm just gonna see if we can make kind of a bit of a tripod. Hopefully that'll help it dry. So yeah. Yep. Bit of a small fire, but just gonna keep us warm. So I'm just gonna get this stove out here. And we're gonna cook the noodles on the stove and then cook the rice on the fire, because by the time the noodles are cooked, hopefully the fire will be roaring. And yeah, voila. Okay. It's about 6:30 PM. So everyone in Hillsville, over in that direction, which you can't see, they're probably sitting around their dinner tables, you know, in their houses, eating their food. Always sitting here next to what is an amazing, warm, lovely fire. Ow, don't do that. Bloody hurts. Ow. Stop, Shane. Bag. Ow.
Alright then, we've finished. So we're showing the campsite?
Oh yeah, probably, I suppose.
We've left no rubbish, nothing.
Got.
As we should always remember when you're camping, take nothing but photographs, leave nothing but footprints.
Yep.